Hey everyone, it's Lex Survival Go Gear. Today we're going to do a comparison video. We've got this Swestech Andern folding saw. We'll have the specs right here on the right just to show you guys everything on it. And then we've got the Gerber Freescape that we will also have the specs here right on the right. They're both great folding saws. We'll just dive right into it. They're both fairly simple to do. So with the Swistech, all you got to do is slide it out, pull your handle. They do is have a sheath on there so you don't have to worry about cutting yourself. The hardest thing is this hook. Sometimes it gets stuck in the handle. You pull that handle out, get that hook aligned. Once you've got it aligned, you just clamp it and you are ready to go. So fairly simple. Same thing with the Gerber. You pull it out. You've got the hook as well. Once you get it there, get that hook spun out. I kind of had them ready to go for the video. Get it put in place and snap it. So the biggest thing I want to show you guys right now is Gerber has got an actual hook versus Swistech, which has got a pin here, but you can actually put a ton of tension on there and it's not going to pop off. I was a little concerned about that, but actually stays on there. The hooks are also adjustable for tensions, so you can actually tighten it or loosen it depending on what type of wood you're cutting. Biggest thing that I wanted to show you guys is that the handles right here on the Gerber, it's 1.75 inches thick, and on the Swistech, it is 1 inch thick. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is the different height difference. The blade on the Swistech is 14 inches. On the Gerber, it's 12 inches. So the Swistech is a little bit longer, but the Gerber is a little bit more compact. They both have a aluminum body. Swistech is an anodized coated that's over the aluminum, and then this is just a normal oxidized over the aluminum. I love the kind of the look of this profile here, but they both do what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to prevent corrosion, rust, things like that. The anodized says that it gives a little bit more stability to the aluminum. It probably does, but either one of them, they do their job and what they're supposed to do. I will say the biggest difference between these two is the Swistech is a lot lighter. The Swistech is only 0.73 ounces versus the Gerber that's a little over a pound. So depending on what you're doing, like hiking, camping, or backpacking, um, both are great to use. Both will cut trees that you need to do, limbs and things like that. Just depends. If you're hiking for a long period of time, you may want the Swistech. If you're just doing a camping trip, you may want the Gerber. They're both great tools to have. You guys let us know down in the comments below which one would you guys choose. I love both of them. I think they're both great. They both have a beautiful profile. Both of them have that rubberized grip. So overall, they're great. I don't think you can go wrong with either one of them. But you guys let me know which one you guys would care or which one you guys would try out. We appreciate you guys watching. Until next time.